Hello kids! Let's learn animals and their baby's name. Cat, kitten. Cat's young one is Kitten. Cat's young one is Kitten. Dog, puppy. Dog's baby is Puppy. Dog's baby is Puppy. Hen, chick. Hen's young one is Chick. Hen's young one is Chick. Duck, duckling. Duck's baby is Duckling. Duck's baby is Duckling. Cow, calf. Cow's young one is Calf. Cow's young one is Calf. Pig, Piglet. Pig's baby is Piglet. Pig's baby is Piglet. Sheep, lamb. Sheep's young one is Lamb. Sheep's young one is Lamb. Goat, kid. Goat's baby is Kid. Goat's baby is Kid. Elephant, calf. Elephant's young one is Calf. Elephant's young one is Calf. Butterfly, caterpillar. Butterfly's baby is Caterpillar. Butterfly's baby is Caterpillar. Rabbit, kit. Rabbit's young one is Kit. Rabbit's young one is Kit. Fish, fry. Fish's baby is Fry. Fish's baby is Fry. Tiger, cub. Tiger's young one is Cub. Tiger's young one is Cub. Frog, tadpole. Frog's young one is Tadpole. Frog's young one is Tadpole. Lion, cub. Lion's baby is Cub. Lion's baby is Cub. Owl, owlet. Owl's young one is Owlet. Owl's young one is Owlet. Donkey, foal. Donkey's young one is Foal. Donkey's young one is Foal. Monkey, infant. Monkey's baby is Infant. Monkey's baby is Infant. Giraffe, calf. Giraffe's young one is Calf. Giraffe's young one is Calf. Deer, Fawn. Deer's baby is Fawn. Deer's baby is Fawn. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.